Hey guys, this is Josh from Harley-Davidson of Fargo. So right here we have a 2024 Breakout. It is in Billiard Gray. So this is our new 2024 model that just came out. So this does have full frontal LED headlights, 21-inch tires or wheels in the front with 18s in the back. So this is in our Billiard Gray. So this is kind of a newer color for in the 2020s. This does have our 117 motor in it. So this is going to be more horsepower and torque compared to what it was in the 114s. Like I said, this is an 18-inch tire in the back. This does come with 340s in the back, which helps with the stability of driving the bike. Coming back out here, around to the back side, we do have our two LED turn signals, as they also work as brake lights as well. Coming over here to the other side of the bike, we do have a shotgun style exhaust. This helps with your actual noise of the bike, as well as mid-range torque. That's what they use, a shotgun style. Over here, we do have a high-performance snorkel-like air filter. This air filter is for just getting more air into the motor, which is a new feature in our 117s coming standard. So my name is Josh, like I said. If you have any questions, if you need any help with anything, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'd love to help you out. Thank you.